What's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review. Now today, you see it, man, we got the Hat Club box. Now this is a one piece, man. Today we got something that's like a la carte, you feel me? Ain't no combo, this is a one piece right here, you feel me? We got something from the Blackberry collection, man. So stay tuned.
Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
Welcome back, man. So we here, man. We got something from the Blackberry collection in this box, man. And first and foremost, I want to say a big shout out to the Peelback gang, man. You know, I've been seeing y'all rep lately, man. I've been seeing the hashtag going crazy, man. I done seen y'all in the lives, man, putting in work, man. So Peelback gang, we are out here, man. So you know what time it is. I got my trusty box cutter, you feel me? I'm gonna slice it right on down the middle, you feel me? Bow, peel it back, you feel me? Peel it back, Peelback gang, we out here. All right, let's see, man. Packing slip. Hat Club exclusive. Ooh, okay, all right. Let's go, man, let's go. Right here, Blackberry. You see what time it is, man. We have the Toronto Blue Jays in this Blackberry. You know what? Why do I always get the Blue Jays, man? Because you get like that little extra color. So it's not just a singular color. Right here we have some royal blue. We have another type of, it's like a, I don't know if it's a light blue, but it's almost like a teal type blue that we have right there, man. I mean, the logo's looking really good. This is the flat logo. If you, hopefully you guys can see that, but this is the flat logo right here. And yeah, it's hitting, man. We got the number 20 patch right there, the 20 patch for the Toronto Blue Jays. I think this was like 20th anniversary or something like that, man. But yeah, so the Blackberry collection pretty much consisted of all black hats with that right there, man. That thing right there, you feel me? That nice royal blue bottom, you feel me? So I'm glad I got the Blue Jays because I was able to get an extra color in there, and that gives me a little bit more versatility on what I'm gonna wear with this hat, you feel me? But yeah, we have the Toronto Blue Jays flat logo right here. We have that 20th anniversary patch right here. We have the flat Batterman logo right here, you feel me? And when I saw this collection was coming out, the first thing that I thought of, because I always say, if I'm gonna buy something, what am I gonna wear with it? Because I mean, I buy stuff to wear it, you feel me? So the first thing that came to my head was Jordan 1's the Royals, you feel me? And I have them. You can see, matter of fact, they right over there, man. These right here are my favorite ones, you feel me? So I mean, you see the Royals right there. So as soon as I saw this collection was gonna drop, I said I gotta get something, and it was only right that I went with the Toronto Blue Jays, man. Let's go. Ooh, white sweatband, you feel me? So you know what time it is. You know how we keep the white sweatbands, right? You feel me? But we got the all white sweatband. Right here we have the Cooperstown collection, new era hat size right there. And yeah, man, let's see. Man, I hope we get a good fit on this, man. So let me take this joint off. Let me go ahead and oh, we got a good fit, man. I'm telling you, it's like you playing craps, pause, you feel me? Whenever you put a hat on, you want to make sure you get that good fit. You know, you don't want it too big, you don't want it too small. I'ma just say the Blackberry collection, man, the hats are fitting on point, man. So yeah, I like this, man. So let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, man. Give you some of that side patch shot right there, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and throw something on so you can see what I'll bust with this hat, man. And right here I have the Marathon Clothing signature Crenshaw tee, man. Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, man. The tee goes crazy, man. You feel me? We don't do the bootleg tees, man. We go to the Marathon Clothing and get the actual factual Crenshaw tees, man. But I already had this in the collection, man. Shout out to TT for that, man. This was a gift, man, and she hooked me up. You feel me? But yeah, we got the Crenshaw tee, black and royal. We got the Toronto Blue Jays fitted black and royal, man. So you already see what time it is, man. Throw that on with the royal ones and you really good to go, man. But like, since I only have one hat, I'm gonna go ahead and give you 2 outfit ideas, man, for the one hat, man. So hold tight. And so right here we have the Mary J. Blige graphic t-shirt, you feel me? It's like that concert shirt that you used to go to the concert. You got like 40 bucks, you buy the t-shirt, man. That's the shirt that this is right here, man. We got the graphic tee, black, royal blue. You see the hat, man, black, royal blue. You don't really need to say too much, man. I mean, the coordination is there. But, I mean, talk to me, man. What did you get from the Blackberry collection? They had some good hats, man. I was feeling that Rockies. The Rockies got so much hype, though. It almost makes me kind of stay away from it just because it's just so hyped up. But that Rockies was hitting, man. That joint was clean. The Cardinals was super clean. You feel me? And I had to make a choice between the Cardinals and the Blue Jays, because you know it's all about the birds around here, you feel me? But yeah, so I went with the Blue Jays, man. Tell me what you got. Tell me what you gonna rock it with, man. You feel me? I appreciate you guys checking out this video, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, B. Talk to me, man, because you know I talk back. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.